competency-based CAPDEV agenda provides a more systematic approach in identifying CAPDEV interventions for local government units. It provides a validated basis for the interventions resulting into the effectiveness and efficiency in the delivery of basic services. The CAPDEV agenda is more focused, resulting to an effective and efficient use of local funds for capacity development. The competency-based CAPDEV agenda is a result of using the SCALOG tool or the Systems on Competency Assessment for Local Governments. The 5 areas of LGU operations that are being assessed are governance, administration, social services, economic development, and environmental management. SCALOG is a complementary tool to the LGPMS or the Local Governance Performance Measurement System. LGPMS measures the level of performance of LGUs based on the inputs, outputs, and outcomes. The SCALOG, on the other hand, measures the organizational competencies of LGUs based on the throughputs or the processes of transforming inputs into outputs and outcomes. The purpose of the SCALOG as a self-assessment tool is to promote continuous improvement in local government units through the identification of organizational strengths and areas for development that can be addressed through capacity building. Organizational competencies are an integrated set of work processes, structures, systems, and technologies that an LGU must have to render and sustain superior performance. Organizational competency means competent workforce, valid structures, efficient processes, effective leadership and management style, adequate resources, appropriate technology, tools, and facilities, appropriate culture, and effective political or participatory process. They may also be referred to as institutional or organizational capacity. Why are organizational competencies important? Training is neither enough nor always an appropriate response. Problem is not simply the lack of competent warm bodies, but absence of an organizational environment supportive of goal-focused and results-oriented performance. Organization and individuals do not perform in vacuum. Accessing the organizational competencies of LGUs provides for broader and more holistic standpoint in determining capacity improvement needs. The System on Competency Assessment for Local Government Units, or SCALOG, as a self-assessment tool for LGUs aim to assess the 7 organizational competencies identified under the 14 service areas of the performance areas of the LGPMS. These are measured using a 5-point rating scale of the various performance indicators of the 14 service areas spread over the 5 LGPMS performance areas. The SCALOG 14 service areas are: under valuing fundamentals of governance, we have financial accountability. Under administration, we have development planning, local legislation, revenue generation, resource allocation and utilization, and human resource management and development. Under social services, we have health services, education, housing and basic utilities, peace, security, and disaster preparedness. In economic development, we have agriculture and fisheries development, enterprise, business and industrial promotion. And in environmental management, we have natural resources management, waste management, and pollution control. The indicators for each of the 14 service areas are classified into 2 categories: the compliance indicators and the best practice indicators. Simply stated, compliance indicators look into the degree of how the LGUs are able to meet the basic requirements as provided by the law, the rules and regulations, and existing policies. Best practice indicators look beyond the basic requirements to include the LGU innovative processes and practices that would serve as models along a given service area. These indicators describe the proactive initiatives of the LGUs to certain challenges on good local governance. The summary of LGU Captive Agenda is a result of the consolidated provincial Captive Agenda of local government units submitted by the DILG provincial offices in compliance of DILG Memorandum Circular Number 2007-71 or Harmonizing Capacity Development Interventions for LGUs. As a result of the SCALOG tool, all the 14 service areas, whether with high or low rating, require competency interventions. The major competency profile of the local government units includes the conduct of training, refresher course, and strengthening of local officials and functionaries on various LGU programs, improvements of system and procedure, creation of offices, strengthening of LGU-NGO partnerships, promotion of alliance building, formulation and updating of planning documents and data bank, formulation of various codes, and strengthening of local special bodies. The major areas of the captive trends are in the areas of training, technical assistance, other forms of assistance,